Good day! Good day! Good day to you! Welcome to my tutorial channel. And I'm Teacher Beth who will guide you in your learning in English. For today's topic, we will discuss about common and proper nouns. Good day! I'm Teacher Beth. I'm the one that will guide you in learning some topics in English. If this is your first time here in my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification in order you to update more videos. Continue watching. But before anything else, let me share to you a life encouragement verse that can be seen in Proverbs chapter 3 verse 5, and it quoted this way: Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not rely on your own understanding. And for today's topic, you are expected to recognize the common and proper nouns in a simple sentences. This topic is based on MELC, or Most Essential Learning Competency in English 2, Quarter 1 for the school year 2020 to 2021. And now, let's read the following words. Cat, fan, ham, cup, dig, fan. Take a look at your home. Can you see different things? Do you see your pet, your kitchen utensils, your bedroom? All of these have their own names. Let's go back to the world of nouns. Let me ask you first, what are nouns? In the previous study, we studied about different kinds of nouns, or what are names. Let me see if you still remember our topic last time. Okay, think it first in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ta-da! Let's see if your answer is correct. Clap, clap, clap. Good job. Nouns are names of places, things, animals, persons, and events. Common nouns. What are common nouns? Common nouns are names of a class of persons, class of places, class of things, class of animals, and even events. Their names starts with a small letters. These are the examples: market, family, friends, schools, plants. And what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the specific names of places, persons, animals, events, and things, and it begins with a capital letter. Examples: bantay, specific name for dog or puppy. Payatas, specific name for place. Johnsons, a specific name of things. Rose, a specific name for flower. Christmas Day, specific name for events. And now you can try this one. Are you ready now? Direction. Give the common noun of each of the following words. Number 1. Lupang Pangako Elementary School. The common noun is school. Good job. Very nice. Number 2. Johanna, Lilia, Beth, Nelia, and Sophia. They are girls. Nice one. Number 3, Luneta Park. What is this? What common noun is Luneta Park? Very good. Ta-da! Park. That is a park. Number 4, Quezon City. What common noun is that? City. Very good. You understand our topic for today. And number 5 is teacher Velma Espo. Very good, teacher. She is a teacher. Come on. Everybody, let us read this question. What is the difference between proper noun and common nouns? Job. The difference between proper noun and common noun is that proper noun refers to specific name of a person, things, places, animals, and events. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. And always remember, common nouns refers to a class of names of persons, things, animals, places, and events. Common nouns also always starts with a small letter. And yes, you can do it now. Direction. In your whiteboard, write if you recognize the underlined word, a common noun, or a proper noun. We'll choose among these words, a common noun or a proper noun. Look at the underlined words. Underlined words, ha? Number 1. My name is Andrew Macabocsit. The underlined word is Andrew Macabocsit. Write your answer on the whiteboard. Number 2, I live in Lupang, Pangako. Number 3, I study at Lupang, Pangako Elementary School. Number 4, my teacher is Mrs.Lilith C. Macabocsit. Number 5, Mr.Gio is a kind carpenter. Number 6, my pencil is Mongol too. Number 7, the sari-sari store is Mang Juan's sari-sari store. And now let's check your answers. If you get the right answers in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the answers. Number 1, proper noun. Number 2, proper noun. Number 3, proper noun. Number 4, proper noun. Number 5, common noun. Number 6, common noun. Number 7, proper noun. And thank you. This is for now. Thank you for watching. God bless. And this is Teacher Beth signing off.